Hey everyone, today's video we will be watching mukbangers eating too much sugar. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and to go and support the channels in today's video linked below. Enjoy!
Next up we have damn ASMR eating Nutella stuffed pancakes. I have never seen so much Nutella in one pancake. I think I'm gonna get a cavity watching this one, guys. This has got to be the best Oreo dessert I have ever seen. He even looks so happy eating them. The chocolate pizza is very unique and satisfying to watch. There has got to be at least 2 jars of Nutella on that pizza, right? And 20,000 calories, LOL.